Welcome back to Dijah Decor. Today, we're diving into a cozy and heartwarming theme, country charm, holiday decorating tips to create a warm rustic winter wonderland. If you love natural textures, timeless details, and that inviting countryside glow, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Rustic charm begins with nature. Think wood, burlap, linen, and jute. These textures bring warmth and authenticity to your holiday setup. From woven baskets to reclaimed wood trays, let the raw beauty of nature set the tone for your decor. Stick to earthy tones like soft browns, deep greens, creamy whites, and a touch of cranberry red. These colors work beautifully together to create a calm, welcoming atmosphere that feels both festive and grounded. Nothing says winter wonderland like soft, glowing light. Use warm white fairy lights, lanterns, and candles to cast a gentle shimmer around your home. The goal is to create that peaceful golden glow that makes winter nights feel magical. Decorate your tree with wooden ornaments, pine cones, gingham ribbons, and simple metal bells. Skip the glitter, go for handmade or nature-inspired touches to enhance that authentic country feel. Mix in vintage items like an old sled, weathered window frame, or a classic milk jug turned vase. These unique pieces tell a story and bring history into your holiday decor, adding warmth that can't be replicated. Bring the outdoors in with garlands of pine, cedar, and eucalyptus. Wrap them around stair railings, mantels, or doorways for a fresh, fragrant touch that fills your home with the spirit of the season. Pile on chunky knit blankets, plaid throws, and flannel pillows. The secret to rustic holiday style is comfort. The more layers, the cozier it feels. Mix patterns and textures for that perfectly imperfect country look. 9. Farmhouse kitchen glow. Extend the rustic cheer into your kitchen. Display gingerbread cookies in glass jars, hang wreaths from cabinet doors, and add a plaid table runner. Simple touches make your kitchen feel festive and lived in. For your Christmas table, mix wooden chargers, linen napkins, and simple ceramic plates. Add a centerpiece made of pine branches, candles, and maybe a few dried oranges. It's both elegant and effortlessly rustic. Set the tone right from the start with a wreath made of pine cones and dried berries. Add a wooden bench, a cozy plaid blanket, and a basket of firewood, the perfect rustic welcome for guests. Enhance the atmosphere with cinnamon sticks, clove-scented candles, and soft instrumental Christmas music. Rustic charm is all about engaging every sense to create a warm and comforting space. And that's how you can create your own warm rustic winter wonderland. Let your creativity shine through natural textures, cozy lighting, and heartfelt details. If you enjoyed these tips, be sure to subscribe to Dijah Decor, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your favorite rustic decor idea. Wishing you a cozy and beautiful holiday season.